Guess what? I went back to B&M, didn't I? I went back. That's right. So today is the day that I'm going to be posting this, okay? So just in case you're local to the area, you'll know what B&M that this stuff is in, okay? It's the 18th of August today that I am posting this. That's 2025, just in case you're watching this far off into the future as well, because I know some of you watch my old videos and I have been seeing you. I went back, didn't I? I went back to the big B&M this time, so I went to Penzance. I did film a little bit of what was in store as well. And before anyone starts about it being too early for autumn, guess what? They actually had aisles of Christmas things. Aisles, not just one, two. Can you believe it? I couldn't either. No, I'm sorry, but that to me is a little bit too early. I don't want to be seeing that yet. I'm happy to be seeing the autumn pumpkins and the Halloween. Christmas, however, is pushing it. Anyway, so I bought some things this time and I thought we'd do a haul. I will share the things that I found in store at the end of the video if you want to see that, because I'm sure you've seen the other girlies posting about all the stuff, because that's how I knew I wanted this stuff, like watching TikToks and YouTubes and everything. And then I got jealous because, as you would have seen in that vlog, the come autumn decor shopping with me, my local store had nothing. Anyway, so I went back today. First things first, in this bag, I picked up this throw. I love this throw in the vlog that I went, you know, shopping with you guys in, our girls' day out. If you want another one of those videos, by the way, let me know, because I would happily film them. And yeah, so this is the throw mushroom embossed. Are you joking? Look how cute that is. A nice neutral, as you could tell in this room, it's quite neutral, lots of rusticy kind of textures and everything. But yeah, really like this. It's not too in your face, so you can definitely have it out now. They did have an orange one as well with leaves on. I wanted neutral throws this year with orange cushions, and I did find some in the charity shop, which I think was my last video I posted. Now, I do like to put craft videos in between hauls and everything, but at the moment this is the way the cookie's going to crumble, and I'm halfway through a craft video, so that is coming. But yeah, this here, mushroom embossed throw, 130 by 160 centimeters, £8. Thought that was pretty good. Let's just open it up. Let me show you it. Why not? There we go. Look at that. Oh, stop. That's so cute. Okay, let's open it up. There we go. Mushrooms down one side. Are they different types? Two different types of mushrooms on there. So you've got ones with spots and then just little plain ones. The other side is plain, so you could always turn it around if the season's over, you know, going into Christmas. Just turn it over unless you want mushrooms there too. I think that could work going into Christmas as well. So there's that. That feels great. The other side is like the same material as well. You know, sometimes these fleecy throws can have like that felty stuff on the back, but this doesn't. It's the same. Anyway, oh, let's just go with this because it's right on the top. Ghosts. Look at that. This is more Halloween-y, I know, but I love a ghost, and look at their little faces on there. It's so cute. Now, do I think the paint job could have been a bit better? Yeah, and I think that this could look a little bit more expensive if we did something with like the silver colour on that. I think that will look good in brass. A couple of these got dings on their heads, and like I said, the paint job isn't great, so I think I might even repaint this, but I thought that's adorable and I love it and I wanted to treat myself, so here I am. I'm the proud owner of, how many ghosts is that? 7 ghosts, 3 candle holders in there, and this was the grand total of £5. 5 smackaroonies. Look, that is an absolute bargain. I said to my husband, I was like, that in TK Maxx would be £10 and I'll be thrilled at it for that, but I just love it. Imagine that on the top of that fireplace, obviously not on, but like that would fit perfectly up there. Hold on, I've got to put it up there now. I've got to see it. Yes. Can you see it? Look. Oh, that fits well good. I've obviously moved over the fan and the air freshener thingy, but look, it fits up there great. That's what I had in my mind. Then I thought I could get orange dinner candles and put them up there, and it's a little pop of orange in again, isn't it? Love it. Anyway, still on the theme of ghosts, picked up this guy. He's got long, dangly legs. Look at them. And there he is. Again, not very good paint job on him, but we can do something with that. I picked up a couple of these over the years, and I've even picked up broken ones to fix up, which I still haven't got to doing. And I just think I'm just going to keep collecting these. This is what the heart wants, so who am I to say no? Look, £2.50 for him. Are you joking? He's so cute. There were other designs as well. So there was a pumpkin guy, a skeleton guy, and a bat. I think I filmed it, so I'll put it over now just so you don't have to wait to the end of the video. But look at him. Isn't that so cute? So more autumn. I got the glass I wanted. They had another one. They literally had 2 left in the Penzance store. I left one because the pumpkin like paint was all kind of like picked off and it had holes in. And then I thought, oh dear gosh, like that's probably going to come off really easily. But then thinking about it on the way home, I thought this would actually be really cute if the pumpkins weren't coloured as well. I don't think I like that dark black line bits there, so it does rub off. That's absolutely fine, but really, really, really like these, and I wanted to get my hands on them. £3 for a glass. Are you joking? That's well good. So I like it. It's the Anthropologie dupe. I'm a big Anthropologie glassware and mug collector, I'm not gonna lie. I have quite a few, and £3, that's a steal. So I'm pleased to have it. I finally found it. Didn't find the toadstool one or anything, but the pumpkin ones were the ones that I was after, and I managed to get one. I did say to my husband, to be honest, I don't need to anyway, because it's really just for my entertainment that I have it, and we have a lot of glasses and everything for guests and anyone to use, so I'll be using that on special filming days if I'm making a drink or something. I don't know who I think I am, but still. Anyway, this smells blooming great. This candle, look at that. I don't need any more candles. The only candles I had lined up in my head to think that I was going to buy was another maybe DW Home one, that pumpkin one this year, because I haven't bought one in previous years. I usually like vanilla pumpkin, white pumpkin, or ghost stories are my favourite ones by DW Home, and that's just the ones from TK Maxx and HomeSense. And I really, really like all of them, and I've been keeping an eye out, but I haven't come across any yet. Of those 3, I think those 3 are my favourite ones, so I'm holding off until I find one of those. And I also have another one. I did have it out. Oh, it's over there. Farmhouse pumpkin, I think that one is. But this here is cinnamon and nutmeg scented. And I just really, really like that container that it came in. I thought that would be nice in this room, just on this coffee table here in the centre. I have a Dolly Parton book that will look very nice on. I'm not one of those people who buys aesthetic books, like, so you have a nice stack. I like looking at that book. It has all sorts of like beading and all of her costumes over the years. Absolutely stunning. Anyway, so then in B&M, I hit the motherload of the cleaning supplies. I said in my last video, the one where we went shopping together, that I wanted cleaning supplies because I wanted to do an autumn come clean with me. I mean, how basic is that? But still, we move. Anyway, I got a Glade. See you later then. Where are you going? Sorry, yeah, I got a Glade refill for that little spray air freshener up there. This one here, pumpkin spice latte. I didn't even see this. Tommy saw it and he's like, smell this. And yeah, sure enough, it smells exactly how you would expect it to smell. And 10 out of 10 would recommend. Oh, just gonna cover up the dog hair. I then picked up this, the Fabulosa multi-surface cleaner, orange, cinnamon and pumpkin scented apparently. I haven't actually smelt it. I just thought that looks very aesthetic, and I have a lot of cleaners anyway, so I didn't need it, but oh, it's not bad. It smells just like disinfectant with a bit of like an autumny hint to it. So not the best, but it looks cute, and I'm sure I'll get around to using that. So let me tell you the price of those in a minute, because I have got my receipt. Glade, £3.49. Fabulosa, £1. Oh, it was £1. That's well good. Then I picked up the elbow grease gloves. Is it just normal gloves just with a pumpkin on it? Yes, but these are the ones that I buy anyway, and I thought would go autumnal. Mine have a little hole in because my nails poke through them every so often, and I use them all the time. Again, £1. And then I picked up an elbow grease scrubbing pad, aka a Minky. I typically buy the elbow grease ones, I'm not gonna lie. I've got the pink one with the little ladybugs on, and this one here, pumpkins. How could I say no? And these here I use all the time. And yeah, did I say that was £1? £1. So my cleaning haul there was like £6. That's a bargain, okay? I needed some of those things anyway. I need a new air freshener refill because mine's almost out. I've got one from Poundland at the moment, and it's like the 1 billion one. So it's like a rip-off of the 1 billion perfume. But it actually smells really, really, really good, and it's only £1.50, and I buy that one on repeat. But yeah, we're getting into the spirit now. And we've got the pumpkin spice latte one. Not that anyone else through the camera can see or smell it, but I can smell it, and I'm going to be happy about that. So there's my things. Like I said, I did a film whilst I was in there, so I will leave like an outro basically of a couple minutes just to film in there, so you can see all of the goodies in there. Let me know if there's anything that you would have purchased if you was there, or if you're just like on an unlimited budget and you're like, yeah, I would have had that. Some things I did like but I didn't quite need, and I managed to resist, were the pumpkin jars. They were £4 and then £2 for one like that sort of size, and then the £4 one was that sort of size. Then they had the acorn one as well, that was really nice. But typically I like them filled with candy corn, but I've been on a bit of a diet recently and I've been losing weight and all of that very happily, so I think if I have them in the house I'm not going to be able to resist them. They'll look very cute as decor, but I know I have a sweet tooth and I will eat them all, so I kind of resisted them. Another great find there was a pumpkin lamp. I don't need a pumpkin shaped lamp. I have a pineapple lamp out all year round, but it was really cute and it was only £6, and I think some people could style that up and look really blooming cute. But again, I managed to avoid that, but I did get my ghosts. Oh, it's that one. Look, Roman moved it out of the way, but look how cute that is. Look at his legs. Look at it. It's so cute. Like I said, I do have one or two kicking around in my Halloween and autumn decor box, and I will be taking it out soon and we'll like unbox all that together so you can see all my collection so far. You'll see the other one of these that I have, and oh, it's so adorable. It just definitely needs a new paint job because he has got black smudges all over his face, but still, I'm going to rescue him. He's here now, he's been adopted. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little haul. There will be another craft video coming very, very soon. I've got 2 underway at the moment. Thank you so much to all the people who bought some of my previous Benny patterns. By the way, my pattern shop has been kicking off, like I haven't known what to do. I'm like, what is actually going on? But still very thrilled. And thank you to all the people who adopted the Benny dolls for my last craft video as well. I don't think I said it in the last video because I think I already had that one filmed. But yeah, huge thank you to you guys, and yeah, let's just get cracking with what's on in the store, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. I should have just come to this one.